everyone. Hello. It's your girl, Lady J. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people. I get two topics when I want to talk about today. Two topics. So this first one, because waiting on the app for this world now, my people, we really have to pray for our children. We really have to make God just the help us, because of so kind people will be say they be agents of devil, where they send go everywhere for this world. We take on the app for this time we will day now, my people. It passed Jeromeo. It passed so because this what you call the apple now, the thing, I don't just know how they talk, my people. So let's go there. This guy, get one video when I see when they begin this guy, because he cop knife. So this guy, what in they do? They say in go con in they use jazz for all those boys there. The boys say no, I end up for a hand. This guy na man woman na man will be say they like woman and man to man and they like. So now waiting in they do now be that one. So he say we are coming to waiting in talk. He say those two boys na he girlfriend that be boyfriend now go call them say na boyfriends them be. But the other guy say he don't know how to end up with him. He only go meet him, may help him. He don't know how you can see himself for his bed. But this guy they lie say the boy know, but the boy say he don't know. He say he just did with this boy ever since he just forget his family, forget everybody. He don't even know how to end up for this guy and where this thing for happen and for Igbo land. Waiting on the apple for this world now, and your family go they look for around, they don't even know say he did with this guy for us ever since. He go even follow them, they look for him. More you say he just put them for your house, just they use them as he like. And this man, they go do unto your pikin where you born, where you come begin they do this kind of thing to those innocent boys. We be say two boys. Just follow this man. They as ever since they don't even know what they do. Now their eye can't open now. Now their eye can't open. What did they happen for this time we would now? Now only God will go they pray for. Only God now we go they pray for, because what it can they happen these days, my people. If many people open mouth, we go hear things, we go tire. We go hear things, we go tire. Because things that is you just kidnap two boys for your house. You just use them as you like. They don't even know. They not even know. Say see what you they use them they do. Now their eye open now they can't even they ask themselves, how they end up with you? What you they use us they do for your house? These boys they jogodo these two boys ever since they don't even know. May God, now God will come they pray for. We may fool everywhere. Why be saying I'm more like now come they like now? Because I believe so those guys when they do this thing, my people. I believe say now they use them for something. Yeah. They use them for something. Because they say Abuja now. The thing they say he made it for them. This man thing so. They say now then I be number one. Abuja. They say that they see for the app way. All those big men there. Wanna be careful. You get one guy that time. He say he can go look for work for all those big men side. He said as he reach there, go look for work. He said until you can see he said the man the big company. He said the man they ask him some kind of things. He can surprise say he no understand. The man got and say, I may follow you come house. You can come to house, just come to your house. I said that you can follow one more. As he reach there, now you can see the bishops will just they war. So all those main things with the jaw open their nyash everything down. You can dey surprise say wetin be all those kind picture dey do for this kind man house. You know say na the man wan come use am take do. So the man come dey tell am say if you just agree say you go work, so we go help you, but see wetin we dey do all those things. Say come dey show am pictures. Say now you come back say and he like all those things too. He say no be him dey there again. He just about to talk all those ones so that make it feel escape. See come back dey tell am say he to him like am. Say that the man come say okay, no problem. So wetin go happen tomorrow? He say come tell the man say okay, make the man give am appointment. He go come another day. Say that the man come say okay, no problem. Say na then he come as if he come out for there. He say na so he take his SIM card na him break am fast. If you see the run wey he take, because he no believe he eye. He dey see am for old video. He no know say the thing wey dey happen for this world wey we dey so. If dey happen, na there he come know say he say when some kind people come dey some kind pictures wey he see, na there he come know so those big men they get what they get where they shook their hand put. So Mona dey careful. All those boys of these days, maybe say they look for money fast. I know say many boys now go they do all those things with all those men them. So Mona dey very, very careful. Mona dey careful. Mona dey careful. See somebody now he just carry those two boys now. He just make sure say he finish their life for them. Yeah. He don't condemn all those guys now. That one say when he wake up, when he see come dey surprise. What come they come out for a body now? This man don't finish them. He don't finish them, this man. Only God now we go dey pray for my people. Man, they pray for our children. Make them not go about those bad gangs. They make God they carry them far for their side. And so we they pray for our children. Because what come the happen for this time, this world where we dey so we don't know again. Really, we don't know. So we have to they pray for our children. So now be that one. So the other topic, I can't come across one video for Facebook. When this one the happen for America, I come across one video where this man he just carry some kind all those you don't know fake or you go call them. He carry them go the man house. He just like when Nigerian wo Milago come house now begin they threaten them, you know. They threaten them, say they where their brother, whether they call Charles, where their brother. Then the other one say he no see him. You somebody that just that they found out the man for ground. That they the man he don't know the guy. He don't know him. And a Nigeria boy carry those Oyibo come there or come they threaten them. So if you see the video and that kind of video, I don't feel carry come here. If not, I for carry the video come in and see him. Una need to see the way this man, the way they take Rofando this man for ground and his wife, because all the name of business when he do with the man brother, they don't see him. Una need to see the way this man, what this man use this Oyibo them, what they do for this man house. Una need to see what they do them. The man they tell you don't know where Charles dey. They say me he must find out. When he not tell they say he carry money wrong. All those brothers of nowadays, Una go use an hand cause problem. Finish when they run they go. They come begin they threaten another person. We don't know one. We don't know two. Okay, you don't run now. Now your brother now they come they threaten now. You need to see grown up man they beg for ground they cry. Because he don't go see that kind of thing we not go fear. We go see that kind of thing we not go fear. Do I know him? Must see like more, almost a more here. Did he just tire me? I need to see the way this man they beg him with his wife. See what they do them. for ground. They carry them down. They threaten them. Eh? What's going to happen for this world now? Eh? Una will do business finish. You know, will give the person money. Now the cost of those things. Now you go do business finish now. You they run the go now. Now your brother, now you going to suffer am now. Your brother they suffer am now. Eh? Okay, I don't want to find out now problem. They don't even know where a day. Your brother say no where a day. Your wife say no where a day. Okay, what if they want to do now? Una begin the refund them. How can Nigeria like you? Now you just carry your book onto the threatening. You know good now. That's the way when you do that, man. You know good. I know say your brother they owe you money, but say at least if you take a easy, I will be Africa now. Eh? I beg, no would they take things easy. No be the way body take scratch person. Person take the scratch am because if we say we will scratch am like that, I be say nobody go remain again now. If we say we will dey scratch am the way body take scratch us, we will just scratch am like that. We will take am easy. We will say they control our temper. You know, before you can go to that kind of SMB, say you can go carry all those kind of umila, carry the come house for America again. No, not be even Nigeria. This one for the apple now. Will not be Africa, America, and this kind of thing for the apple. So my people, what's going to happen this for this world now? Whether the world won't come to an end, we don't know. Eh? I don't know. The thing can't tire me, my people. Now say man, I say choke my mouth put. So what you wanna think for the video? Mona still leave on a comment there. We go see them. So my people, I beg if you want to watch my video, Mona still they put thumbs up for me, please. Thumbs up, you know, see easy for you to come see do video. At least when I see they learn one or two things for our video now. At least when I see they put like for me to show say the waiting at the talk, it they make sense. I beg, thumbs up, please, thumbs up, put for me so that make it not finish. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. Bye.